Hey everybody, welcome to the Messing with AI channel. This is an introduction video just to give you all an idea of what on earth am I doing. My name is Jeff McGahan and we've got about 6 YouTube channels. This AI revolution that's taking place is really unbelievable. So when we take a look at AI, what we are using right now for tools, and this is getting upgraded on a weekly basis. We use Super Grok and SUNO Pro and Filmora. And so originally when I got started doing film production, editing, and stuff like that, was about 22 years ago, 2004. And we started with Adobe, and then Adobe Premiere, and then about a little over 10 years ago, Filmora, which is a traditional editing station. And now with the with the introductory of AI is just expanding into Filmora, and it's advancing. It's like I say, it's just compounding. So this channel is really about messing with all the different tools that AI is either upgrading, or AI applications like Suno or like Grok, ChatGPT, all these different things. That is primarily what this channel is about. It's just me experimenting with music, with video, with taking pictures and turning them into something. A lot of the stuff that you see is just either a picture of myself or Madison, my wife, being manipulated or used in some way. The same thing with music. Where music's going right now is you're able to use your own voice. I've just started experimenting with that recently, doing some country stuff, which I'll post here because I won't put that on our Neon Barracuda channel. For those of you that don't know what that is, that was a channel that originally was called Maxtanic Films Network, which was our original production company when we were doing DVDs back 22 years ago, or in the early 2000s, and the DVD business got sucked up by YouTube. So if you think about the AI today and the people that complain about AI, well, I can remember complaining about, like, man, the DVD business is over with because everybody puts their stuff on YouTube. So what did we have to do? We had to adapt and put our stuff on YouTube. So, the thing is, you got to understand that, there's a lot of negative things about AI, and there's a lot of good things about AI, just like anything else. So, you got to take it with a grain of salt. Don't whine about it and complain about it, because somebody else is going to use it and take advantage of it. And if you're not going to use it and take advantage of it, well, guess what? You lose. So look at it that way. As far as the music goes, there's so much drama out there about, AI music this, AI music that. But go listen to Rick Beato. He talks about, he's got a video where he says, hey, there's not an artist that I know that doesn't use AI in some form for their music production. So at what point is it okay to use and not use? And it's like sampling music, or all these different things that have happened over the years. So the people that are bothered by it, it is what it is. And you're going to end up listening to stuff that you don't think is AI, which I think is terrible. And I think full disclosure is not only really important and ethical, and for all the moral reasons you should disclose it, but it's fun to not be a POS. I think, hey, look, let's experiment with this stuff. Let's see where it goes. In a couple years, this whole AI music thing might not even be a big deal, because it'll just become integrated like CGI was with Jurassic Park. I don't know if y'all remember that movie, but you probably don't remember the controversy around Jurassic Park, where it was a big uproar because, these weren't real dinosaurs. It's like, well, we know they weren't real dinosaurs, but you didn't use practical effects. So anyway, that kind of deal. So in this, not to get long-winded here, but basically this channel, you'll see different clips of random stuff, music videos, music that we'll put on here that we won't put on the Neon Barracuda channel. The Neon Barracuda channel, just to back up here, is morphed from the Maxtanic Films Network, which was a hodgepodge of different videos and stuff like that, into just a music test bed, I guess. Like, I'm experimenting with it. So I changed the name to Neon Barracuda. I couldn't tell you why I came up with that name. It's just, I don't know, whatever. But had to come up with a name of something. And so maybe I'll use my whole name, Jeffrey Michael McGahan, on some of these country songs that I'm doing, where I'm using my own voice. That's been really fun, and something I've just started doing, like I said. And So anyway, I don't look like a Neon Barracuda, so we'll just use my real name. So I'll post some stuff here, some of these country songs that I'm doing that are fun, and with AI now, you can put your voice in, and it will just use your vocals. It'll just use your vocals. So it's pretty cool. And where it's going with SUNO right now, I mean, you really can get incredibly creative with it. You got to learn how to use the prompts right. You got to understand some music principles in order to create something you really want to create. Yeah, you can spam the hell out of it if you want, but if you really want to create something that's in a vision or a vision that you have, you can do it. It takes some real work to be able to do it, but and so I'll probably do some videos on that, kind of explaining that if anybody's interested. But anyway, that's the gist of what the channel is, and it's been a lot of fun. We've got 6 YouTube channels. I've got a Max Tannic Films Aviation channel that I've been around in aviation my entire life, and so we don't do any AI there, other than I will use my own music now, which obviously is through SUNO, so that's AI, but all the video in there is just airplane stuff. And then I've got some other just goofy channels. But anyway, so hopefully that makes sense. Let me know what you think if you have any questions. Again, it's compounding, so where we're at today versus where we'll be at in a month and 5 years, I mean, geez, it is gonna be wild. So anyway, y'all, we'll be talking at you soon. See ya.